Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Or good evening, depending on where you are. Welcome back to the channel. Um, I want to start off by just doing a quick video here on what's happening at the moment with Time Wonderland. So it seems everything is heading towards W Memo anyway. W Memo. If you go into your Time Wonderland app, obviously we don't know what if any rebases we're getting. I don't think we're getting any at the moment. I'm not sure, but if you guys are getting some rebases, please let me know. But I think that's all gone down the drain now. So my understanding of the matter at the moment is pretty simple. It's as soon as this comes up, you've got your W memo, you times multiplied by the price of W memo, and that's how much the value of your total time is. So for myself, I started at $750. My W memo, you can see 0 point down here, 0.005539. So let's put that in, 0.005539, and we're going to multiply that by the time of, so it's 20,980.91. Multiply that by 20,980.1. So my initial investment of $750 is now valued at $116.20. That is, yeah, I can go have a silent cry, but you gotta laugh about it. We can laugh about it a little bit, but first and foremost, let's take that aside and see what's happening with Time Wonderland. The biggest thing to look at is if you go into the Time Wonderland Discord, you can just jump up here straight off the bat. There's a lot of this and that. This is all the stuff that's in there, but there's seafood resigning. Obviously, was one of the things. Then this is from Sifu. There's a big apology from him and a resignation. I can't find it. It's in here somewhere. I know that it is. Then since there's this big bullshit from Daneile, and Abracadabra and the bullshit they went through to everyone. Danny's hosting a TA. So down here, here's the Good Morning Fam, and he's like, I'm sure that many of you have been concerned, but the recent attacks and dons, I'm taking precautions for my safety and taking precautions. I mean, he pretty much came out and said that he didn't do it, but then it was proven he did do it. It's just a bit of a shit show. So then, end of the day, he just resigned. I enjoyed my time with all of you. Pun fully intended, through both the good and the bad times. I got to know many of you through my daily AMAs, and very proud of the community which we have built. I fully expect this vote to not pass, despite what Danny seems to think, and most of the world. I mean, me personally, yeah, he should definitely go. I mean, the way he utilizes it as his own slush fund, Daneile is doing the same thing. They're utilizing this as their own personal slush fund, yeah. Then you go into this one here. So this is right over here. Daneile's in here. First gear on the way forward. I've spoken to a lot of various people. Some people said Time Wonderland should just be wound down, not wanted. And funds should be given back to the token holders. Although this is an option, I believe this is an easy way out. I made a mistake, got blinded, and I'm sorry for that. Time Wonderland itself has achieved some big things, and the aspect of an investment DAO to me is still interesting. I personally believe that we should get professionals on board, and this is the whole. So if you go into this Daneile message, it's on the Discord as well, but also on Daneile's personal. He hasn't been on at all today. This was 7 hours ago, yeah. So you can click that, and it'll take you right here, and you can read that. And there's a very interesting proposal put forward, which I like. I mean, it's good to have. It's better than nothing, right? And this proposal here is by Bastion Trading. To manage the funds and just to make sure it doesn't happen again, So that being said, the only way forward can be onwards and upwards, yeah. But that is for the die-hard person to say. And am I a die-hard person? I kind of am, because I don't want to lose my. Even if it's a little bit of money, I still don't want to lose it, So here's Dear Frog Nation. I've never written before, so please go have a read. He gives you a full breakdown, a full overview of what's happening. Yeah, it's actually quite good. I think that was quite generous of him to do that. This is a good read, and you guys can all decide. It's got quite a lot of views. You guys can all decide and take it from there. I think it's good to have this Bastion Trading on board, this Skyhopper. I think this might be a better version than getting Daneile to do it. Look, the drip has got DAOs down. I don't see why Time Wonderland can't as well. Instead of promising sky high things, let's make it realistic and let's make everyone. Let's make all make money together. Daniela, or whatever, however you want to say his fucking name. We should all do this together, yeah, and find a way forward. That being said, if you guys aren't following me, this is my Twitter handle, Lucius at Lucius S. So you guys can go ahead and give it a quick follow. So all the latest things I'm talking about is up there. I love this project as well, by the way, Project Oasis. I won't go too much into talking about that at the moment, though. So yeah, go ahead and give that a follow. And if you guys aren't following me on TikTok already, would love it if you guys dropped a follow. It all helps. And then, of course, my YouTube channel, you guys already know that, is FOMO Crypto. I don't know, I couldn't come up with a better name because I'm useless at these kind of things. So this is my channel over here. Please jump in and give it a subscribe. I only got 13 subscribers. I just got 200 views, which I'm really, really happy about. Like small steps to big rewards, yeah? So overall, just going back to time again and my thoughts on Time Wonderland. Look, it's each to everyone. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, the same old bullshit, But even if I take it out, I get $100, which is like one soul. It's like ridiculous, yeah? So I'm willing to give it another week and see where this ends up. I mean, Daneile not being on at all today shows that, though he is fronting up, it's also like, shit, I've had enough of the bullshit of everyone just hammering me. I just need a day off. I mean, that's where he probably, yeah, he's probably getting hammered somewhere, taking a day off just to get back on terms. Overall, we don't know what rebases we're getting. We don't know if this will stay around, But in the meantime, let's just see. If you guys have any comments, let me know what you guys think. Let me know whether you guys have already cashed out, or if you want to stay in here and be part of Frog Nation and keep fighting it forward, I'd love to hear all your views. Yeah, have a great night, guys. Catch up with you guys next time. Cheers.